Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Rachel and we are here today with vicrez.com to take a look at VZ101026, a new addition into the Vicrez carbon fiber family and truthfully one of the hottest aftermarket upgrades available for the back end of your BMW M2 competition and 2 series vehicles, the Vicrez V3R carbon fiber rear spoiler wing. Now this rear wing spoiler was made to fit M2 F87 coupes and M2 F87 competition coupes that have been manufactured by BMW between the years of 2016 to 2019. And with an OEM fit perfected by an edgy and yet aggressive design, you will be pleased to find that this rear wing spoiler is ultra lightweight and extremely durable, providing you with a product that is up to 80% lighter than factory parts. Now, the function of a spoiler wing is to disrupt the airflow that passes over and around the sides of a moving vehicle. So it's no surprise to find out that they also reduce lift without adding any additional weight to the car. This can help keep the car more stable at higher speeds and will improve traction without affecting performance. These are optimal aerodynamic devices that were designed to function within the automotive industry to literally spoil unfavorable air movement across the body of a vehicle in motion, which is also known as turbulence or drag. This carbon fiber rear wing spoiler is designed to push your car down and keep all 4 tires on the ground. The most important benefit, however, is preventing aerodynamic lift, or in other words, eliminating that invisible force that wants to pull your car off the road and into that ditch on the side of the road. The advantages and benefits can be readily seen upon completing installation successfully. Instead of having a heavy car, which is slow, or having a very light car, which is easily pushed around, you now have a car that sticks better the faster it goes. Sounds perfect, right? Well, there's a catch. There are a lot of different styles of rear spoilers, and while the right one can improve performance, selecting the wrong type, or more importantly even, installing it incorrectly can actually have a negative impact on your vehicle. Every time a wing generates lift or generates downforce, it also generates drag. Drag is a natural reaction of the fluid air resisting motion, which happens during the acceleration of your car. So having more downforce is good, but only to a fault, because having too much downforce will create too much drag. And generating excessive drag, we know, is bad because it slows down the car. Furthermore, a poorly installed spoiler can give the rear wheels too much grip, causing understeer and making the car more reluctant to turn, as the rear wheels are straightened out by downforce, overpowering the turning front wheels, which have much less grip on the road than the rear do. But the good news is that a spoiler wing will always make consistent downforce. Having a well-designed, smooth, and properly shaped spoiler wing can produce as much as 8 pounds of downforce for every 1 pound of drag that it creates. On an unmodified car, airflow comes down over the front of the roof towards the rear of the car, and then down over the back edge of the vehicle. As it does this, it creates 2 things you definitely do not want: drag and lift. The lift pulls your wheels up off the ground, and that can be seriously detrimental for any rear-wheel drive vehicles. And then the added drag slows you down on top of that. The end result is a slower and less stable vehicle. Spoiler wings disrupt that airflow, however, and can counteract the lift and drag that is created. They create downforce in 2 ways. First is by slowing the incoming airflow, and the second is increasing the air pressure on the trunk lid before deflecting that same air upward as it reaches the end of the car. So this spoiler wing is a 2-for-1 steal. You'll get a high-quality carbon fiber aftermarket product that is both visually pleasing and ever so purposeful. Even still, please be advised that carbon fiber requires specialized skills to properly install, and Vicrez always recommends installation by a professional accredited automotive body shop before suggesting any DIY solutions. And as always, if you like what you see and you want to see more, you know what to do from here. Just hit that like button below and subscribe, so that way you can get the newest product releases and overviews, installations, and walkthroughs. As always, if you want to get the latest deals and discounts sent straight into your inbox, head on over to vicrez.com and sign up for our weekly newsletter.